how to get Roblox Premium. If you want to get Premium on Roblox, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. All we have to do to get Roblox Premium is, instead of using the app, I would just recommend that you open up your browser instead. So open your browser and just go to roblox.com, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now what you want to do from here is, after you log into your account, tap on the three lines option, which is the menu icon from the top left of the screen. Over there at the bottom left option, you'll find an option that says Get Premium. So you have to just tap on the Get Premium button that you can see. Then when you tap on Get Premium, it will just tap on the Get Premium button again, and you can choose the type of premium that you want, which is the premium plan. There is a premium for a certain amount of dollars and certain amount of Robux point that you will get each month. So you can tap the subscribe now button to subscribe and enter your payment details to confirm it. This way you will be able to get Roblox Premium. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.